Am I audible? Yes. Thank you. So this song is, the name is the Anti-Nuclear song. I had written this song at the anti-nuclear protest we had gone at Jaitapur. Coincidentally, I am from Jaitapur also. And we had gone to protest over there for the anti-nuclear plant which is going on. The story in this song is that how the cops, they were behind us, they were trying to stop us, and how we did fall back and we were fighting till last breath. Not last breath, I guess. We were fighting. We were still fighting the last day of the protest, but we didn't go till Jaitapur. We came back from Mart, but the protest still goes on. I written this song over the whole journey, so it goes like this. My brother will play the beat. Yeah, you all sing with the hook with me. Yeah, thank you. This thing of development ain't no question to us. See these developed countries trying to put an impression on us, but the consequence is gonna put a depression on us. Us means we, and not the stupid government. And I don't give a damn to know who Manmohan is. You know about Fukushima, Chernobyl. It's been years it's happened, but they still can't stop it. Cause we in India, the reason is we don't know. Beautiful babies being born with the weirdest features. They're trying to make Nakokan into Japan or Germany. If this talk and we live in peace and harmony. बघा आपल्या भावाला कशी गोळी झाडली, जिल्हा बंद करून त्यांनी केस बाजूला काढली. स्वतःला विचारा, भारत आहे का स्वतंत्र, कसली ही अणुऊर्जा आणि कसले हे यंत्र. भूमीवर माझ्या काय चाललंय हे तांड, घाबरले ते कारण आपण फोडू त्याचं भांड. थांबू आम्ही जर जमलं हे तुम्हाला, येऊ परत आम्ही नाही भीती कसली आम्हाला. सर्वांनी कर्जा नको अणुऊर्जा, सर्वांनी कर्जा नको अणुऊर्जा, सर्वांनी कर्जा नको अणुऊर्जा, सर्वांनी कर्जा. No matter how we try, we still gon' fight. We gon' get rid of you. Let's admit with the white. Find a few jars and us with your weapons physically. Then I might start to rape you lyrically. We can't reach our goal which we took it initially. Don't care even if we go through any difficulties. पका लिया है हमसे तो खोल के हमारेंगे, जरूरत पड़ी तो नंगाती हम नचाएंगे. देखते हैं साले अभी कौन तुम्हें बचाएंगे. खूब सोसून केला तुमचा फाजील पडा. सीएम आपला आहे किती लाजीर म्हणा. रोखण्याचा आम्हाला किती प्रयत्न तुम्ही करत. ओके ब्रेक घेऊन थोडा बघा येतो आम्ही पण. आल्यावर गळा तुमचा धरत, तुम्ही पण बोला. नको अणुऊर्जा डील आमची, आम्ही आता ही घेतो परत. याव the hook goes on like this, everybody say. सर्वांनी कर्जा नको अणुऊर्जा, सर्वांनी कर्जा नको अणुऊर्जा, सर्वांनी कर्जा नको अणुऊर्जा, सर्वांनी कर्जा नको अणुऊर्जा. I guess it's clear to everybody of you also. The nuclear thing, well, the government, I don't know when they realize what's going on over here, but still it's the government selfish thing. Yeah, the next song, the next song is called Kaise Main Sahu. It's about the Guwahati incident. Yeah, it's about the Guwahati incident. The time when I saw the video on the news, my blood was boiling. I literally cried. Yeah, I hid away from my mom and dad because I didn't want to show them that I cried. But I did cry. I cannot forget that thing. I still want everyone, for we all to remember that thing, because 30 people, 30 men abused her, stripped her. 22 are arrested till now. Maybe many of them got out of bail. No one knows about what happened to the girl. Some stupid people of that NWC, I don't know what's it called. She also disclosed the identity. And this Mamta Sharma, she says that we should wear modest clothes. I mean, I agree to what Kamayani said on Facebook something. It's like you should wear bulletproof jackets from being stopped by the terrorists from hit you with the bullets. It's the same thing. So it is called Kaise Main Sahu. The female vocalist is not present over here, but I bought her voice, so I guess you should listen to the female voice from the Heartly. She has sung it. I guess you love it. This is in Hindi. So please, Kaise Main Sahu. It's a street song. Guwahati. Yeah. Check it out. कैसा ये देश, कैसा वेश, वक्त के साथ चलते हम तेज. अब रुको तो जरा, नजर अपनी घुमाओ जरा, देखो तुम उस लड़की को, हाँ देखो उस लड़की को, चीख रही चिल्लाती वो इस मर्द जात के जुल्मों को। क्यों करते हो तुम ऐसे, बोलो अपनी माँ और बहनों को, रहने दो क्या बोलोगे तुम अब जवाब को, तुमने ही मार दिया सदियों से ऐसे करके, तुमने उसको लाचार किया, क्या उसका ये हाल किया, अरे क्यों उसका ये हाल किया। आइटम माल चिकनी कह के आंखें उसकी झुका दी, लेकिन ये सब कह के तुमने अपनी इज्जत उतार दी। कब तक ये सब हरामीपन तू करता रहेगा, इंसानियत पर मर्द जात फिर कलंक बनकर रहेगा।
कैसे मैं सहूं और क्यों मैं सहूं, किससे ये कहूं, सब किससे ये कहूं। कैसे मैं सहूं और क्यों मैं सहूं, किससे ये कहूं, सब किससे ये कहूं। रब
Check this out, it's the Guwahati thing right now, you'll cry। गुवाहाटी सिर्फ 16 साल की वो थी, अकेली थी, इसलिए कुत्तों ने उस पे जो वार किया, बेचारी को लाचार किया। पुलिस तो सिर्फ देखती रही और मीडिया ये सब दिखाती रही, कोई भी आगे आया नहीं उस बच्ची को बचाने को। टूट पड़े सब उस पे जैसे शेर पड़ते खाने को, बाल खींचे कपड़े फाड़े यहाँ वहां पे हाथ लगाया, 15-20 लोगों ने ऐसे उस मासूम को सताया। वो रोती रही पर किसी ने भी उसका दर्द समझ ना पाया। मेल डोमिनेशन इस देश में अब बहुत हुआ, घंटा मेरा भारत महान जब ऐसे किस्से होते हैं। औरत की जो इज्जत करे वही असली मर्द होते हैं, वही असली मर्द होते हैं। Yeah, that's the Guwahati thing. Yeah, that's the Guwahati thing. I guess no one forgets this thing because even the 8 of the culprits are still roaming free around here. No one is bothered. This fucking youth, I can say the Mumbai youth, they protest against Doble for ending up the nightlife, but they won't protest against a girl being abused over there in Guwahati. I guess when someone will come and abuse them in Mumbai, that time I guess we'll rise up, the blood will start boiling up. It's the same like the Bandra where Robert and Cobain, when he got shot, Mumbai youth was like striking up and we want justice, we want justice. And now for the Doble thing, they're asking for justice. It's like, we should know, I started my own campaign wearing a black belt for the Guwahati justice thing. If you're against that thing, injustice, you can wear a black belt too. For the more thing, I have totally and truly black for that thing. Because right now I'm totally the mentality of the Guwahati thing. I can't forget it. I cry every time I perform, but today I try to control myself. That's it. Thank you. I like the song. Thank you. I hope you like the song. Sorry.